Don't be poor. Don't be poor. Make up your mind. I will not be poor. Now, there are those who say this, and it seems.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this spaghetti together. Okay, so in the boiling water I added some spaghetti. Okay, I don't like cutting mine, like dividing it into two, but if you like dividing yours into two, you are free to do so. Okay, so I added it that way, then add some salt. I'll stir well to combine. Okay, and then leave it to boil. I won't be adding oil too because this spaghetti doesn't stick. Then I'll be using shrimp for this recipe. Okay, so I had to transfer the pan at the other side of the burner to use this big one. Okay, so in a frying pan I'll be adding olive oil. Don't mind my voice guys, I'm having a catarrh. Okay, so I'll be adding olive oil. Okay, and then I'll add the shrimp. It's already frozen. I added it that way. Okay, into the frozen fry, just like this. So I will stir it and then add grated ginger and garlic. Okay, I will stir well to combine. Then I will leave it to fry for some minutes. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I'm glad to have you all here. To my returning OGs, friends, you guys are the best. You guys are the real G's. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for the love. I so much appreciate it, and God bless you all. Thank you for the like, comment, and shares. Thank you so much. And if this is your first time of seeing my video or coming across my channel, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please click on that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. It doesn't cost anything. And turn on your notification bell to know when I post a new video. Like, comment, share to family and friends. So the spaghetti is already done now. I will scoop it out. The shrimp is done too. So I have to transfer it out to the big pan. Okay, to fry it because I like my shrimp to be well fried. So it's done. I'll be scooping it out. I will then clean the pan because you can see the burnt ginger and garlic. I'll clean the pan. Of course, I don't want any burnt garlic. Then in a fresh pan, I'll add another olive oil, just like this. I'll then add onion and saute it for a few seconds. I'll then add the grated ginger and garlic. I will saute it too, and then add the sliced tomatoes. I will stir fry it for some minutes and then add the spices: curry, nut cube, salt, pepper, to spice up the stew. You can add any spices of your choice. Okay, so I added some water to loosen it up. It's well fried now. I'll now go ahead to add the spaghetti. Okay, then we stir it until it's well combined. Now I'm adding up the shrimps. And tada! It's all ready. I hope you have already liked the video. Thank you so much. I'm dishing out yours now. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.